everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you have never operated a drone before, you are in for a lot of fun. An exciting experience is becoming a drone pilot. However, it becomes even more enjoyable when you can capture stunning visuals from the air with a drone camera. Today, we will take a look at some of the best drones currently on the market. After all, you might need a cool drone to shoot your latest TikTok video. Before we continue the video, do not forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on new content. Now, let's get right into it. At number 5, we have the DJI Air 2's drone. The DJI Air 2's drone is a drone that has a camera and can be controlled by the user. It is equipped with an HD camera which captures high-quality images and videos. The drone also has an obstacle avoidance system which helps to avoid collisions with objects in its path. The DJI Air 2's drone is available for purchase on Amazon for $499. The DJI Air 2's has a camera with 12 megapixels and can take video in 4K resolution. It has an objects avoidance system that helps it avoid crashing into objects while flying, though flipping the camera over so you can shoot in portrait orientation is one thing it does not do. That is unfortunate because it makes it more challenging to capture vertical video for TikTok or Instagram Reels, because you will need to split your video in half, losing a lot of the resolution in the process. At number 4, we have the Emax Tiny Hawk 2. The Emax Tiny Hawk 2 is a drone with a camera that can take high-quality aerial shots. It is great for beginners and professionals alike. The drone has a built-in GPS system which makes it easier to fly and control. Another great thing about this drone is that it's only $140 on Amazon, making it rather affordable. The drone is equipped with a 180p HD camera which can capture videos at 30 frames per second. The drone has a built-in GPS system which makes it easier to fly and control. It also has an altitude hold mode which allows the user to focus on taking pictures or videos without worrying about the height of the drone. The camera can take high-quality aerial shots with its 12MP camera and 4K video recording capabilities. At number 3, we have the Tactical X drone. Tactical X drone is a drone that is specifically designed with military use in mind. However, it was also made so that almost anyone can operate it. It has a camera that can take high-resolution photos and videos. The drone can also be used to monitor the battlefield and send live footage back to the command center. The Tactical X drone is used by the military for surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition missions. It can be used in both day and night operations. The camera on this drone can take high-resolution photos and videos which are transmitted back to the command center. This drone can be found on Amazon for about $100. Putting it on the more affordable end. At number 2, we have the Parrot Bebop 2. The Parrot Bebop 2 is a drone that has a camera and can be controlled by an app on your phone. It has a flight time of 25 minutes and can fly up to 1,000 meters away from the controller. This drone is perfect for people who are just starting out with drones or want to take their drone skills to the next level. The drone has a built-in GPS system and can be controlled by an app on your phone. The Parrot Bebop 2 is equipped with a 14MP camera that can take pictures and videos from the sky. The Bebop 2 camera has an impressively wide field of view, and you can electronically tip and pan the camera angle to make it appear as though it were on a mechanical gimbal. The drone is a success all around. It is compact and strong. This drone has a top speed of 40 miles per hour, so it also moves very, very quickly. At number 1, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Yes, it is called a Mini, but don't let that fool you. DJI is the world's leader in civilian drones and aerial imaging technology, and it has just released its newest drone, the DJI Mini Pro 3. The DJI Mini Pro 3 is a small and lightweight drone that is easy to transport. It features an 180p camera with a 120-degree field of view and a 2x digital zoom. The DJI Mini Pro 3 also has an altitude hold function, which allows the drone to hover at a certain height without any input from the pilot. The DJI Mini Pro 3 is the market's most powerful ultralight drone. You can avoid FAA registration thanks to its 249-gram takeoff weight, with a 34-minute battery. Though developers who do not mind paperwork and fees can add an extended life battery to extend flights past 45 minutes. The DJI Mini Pro 3 is available for purchase on Amazon for $720. And that concludes today's video. Have you ever taken pictures with a drone? It truly gives you a perspective like no other. Let us know in the comments below. Before you exit the video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new updates. See you next time!